paddy works on the railway. In 1842 from Hartlepool I moved to Crewe, found myself a job to do, working on the railway.
Hello. A few weeks ago, my good friend Hugh over at Wouldn't It Be Nice showed a economy pen to be sold at a low price at market stalls or whatever, and I was interested. Not that I turn pens anymore, and I certainly don't want to be turning cheap pens, but when I see something that's a design challenge, it gets me interested. So this is the starting point. These are sold. The idea is that you put beads on this shaft here to make the pen. In fact, that shaft is of no use to anybody, so we'll get rid of that. It does unscrew, but it's screwed into plastic, so that bit comes out and leaves you with that bit. Now then, that in there is 10mm. That is a little bit more than 10mm, not a lot. A quick measure. It's 11.5mm. Yeah. So the other thing with these is that there's no pocket clip. A lot of people really use pocket clips on pens, but they're part of the design of the average pen. So let's go to that one. Got a piece of wood in the chuck. Let's start by making it round. So I'm just going to use a spindle gouge for this because it's only a small blank and I'm going to get this end and just take it down to actually a little bit more than I desired, about 1mm more, because I can sand it then. I can do that with a parting tool. That just gives me a measure. Okay, so now I've got a measure. The length I want, it doesn't really matter that much, to be honest. Explain this. Okay, so here I have a 10mm spanner. And I've just attached that to a grinder and sharpened that edge. and that gives me a cutting and measuring tool. Now this was live. Somebody would ask me what I've grown that to, and I'm glad it's not live because I haven't got a clue. It's probably in the region of 60 or 70 degrees. So that is now the right size to fit into the pen. So what I think about shape. As I said, there's no pocket clip. So it doesn't need to be parallel. It doesn't have any particular size or shape requirements. It's just got to fit back against the hand. So I don't know. Let's try this. And just because I like to use lots of different tools if I can, let's get a skew out. Touch of sandpaper, start with a 180. I could take this up to 1,000 with abrasive paste or with abrasives. It's a bargain price pen. It's not getting any more than that. At the end of the day, if I want to sell it cheap, I've got to make it quick. So I'm just going to go with no sanding sealer, straight to a Carnivore wax stick. Take a kitchen roll, wax speed right up. That's 2,400 RPM now. I could have been cutting the whole thing at that, but and you're done. Got to pile it off. Attach the abrasive. So that should fit into there. Put a little bit of persuasion, a bit of glue, and there's a pen. Simple as. Change camera again. It's not glued yet, obviously, but I'll do that off camera and take a picture of it. And Hugh was kind enough to send me a link to get the kits. They cost about 60 pence each. So a cheap pen. There you go, one pen. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Now's your chance, if you haven't done it, to click the thumbs up, because that makes me happy. Or click the thumbs down if you didn't like it, I don't care. It's better to do it up though. And thanks for watching. Bye for now.